Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep, sheep.
Good job. Beep, beep, beep. Whoa.
Beep, 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 beep. Around.
What are you doing, bud?
Women.
Rooming.
Right there.
Can you count your cars?
1, 2.
Yeah. What comes after 2?
Oh no, more car.
Can you count 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2.
Oh, good job. Give me 5. Can you give me 5? Yeah. That's good counting and good rooming.
Oh, what's that?
The little pieces, where are they going to go?
Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. That.
Yeah, you made a cool truck. Is that a digger?
Yeah. That's bigger. That's. It's bigger.
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting dirt.
Are you going to get dirt with your digger?
Clean up. Shut it. Back in there. Let's get. Ow, that. I'm gonna put this down.
Oh, good job. You fixed it. All right.
Let's go get dirt and shut it in there. Let's go get more dirt. I'm getting in trouble. Maybe shut it in there. I'll get dirt.
Mm-hmm. Where are you going to take the dirt? You're going to bring the dirt to Grandma's house?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought put this. Maybe.
I'm figuring it out.
I done my work.
Are you all done with your work? Okay.
Bye bye. I go grandma's house.
Okay. Bye-bye.